Hello, this is Annette at needlepointers.com. I am ready to machine quilt my t-shirt quilt. I have some helpful tips on how to machine quilt a t-shirt quilt or any quilt. Use a walking foot because it will evenly feed the layers of fabric and padding through the machine. If you are straight line quilting, like I will be doing, you can attach the walking foot guide bar for stitching the lines. After stitching the initial marked line, you can use the guide bar to stitch the other lines. Increase the stitch length to about 8 to 10 stitches per inch. Fill several extra bobbins with thread, so if you run out of bobbin thread, you do not have to stop quilting to fill a bobbin. Just insert the next bobbin into the machine. Quilting will go easier if you have a large work surface, so your quilt does not hang over the end of the table. I am ready to begin quilting. As you can see, I have matched up. This is my quilting line, so I'm ready to start. I do not have to tack it at the beginning because I'm starting off the end of the quilt. If you were quilting inside of it, you would have to quilt and make a tack your quilting. And I'm going to begin quilting along that line. I have finished stitching my first line, and as you can see here, I have the walking foot guide bar lined up with the stitching line. This will be my guide for stitching the second line, and I'll use the guide bar to stitch each line thereafter. You can also put the walking foot guide bar on the outside edge of your sewing machine instead of on the inside. I found that this was a little easier using it to stitch this way because of the book going through the sewing machine. I finished quilting my t-shirt quilt. As you can see, I used a simple grid pattern to quilt it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we post new videos Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is a great resource for craft and hobby information. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for all types of craft and hobby information and free projects.